Hi everyone, I'm Jennifer from English with Jennifer. Let's study basic grammar together. You can learn with my students, Flavia and Andreia. So you know my story about the mouse. Mm-hmm. And who caught the mouse?
Your husband.
He caught it. He could catch it. I didn't want to. I don't think I could. I couldn't catch the mouse, and he could. So can, could, right? That's what I want to practice now. I know you've seen these verbs before. Let's practice again. Can and could, right? Right. What I can do now, what I could do yesterday or when I was a little girl. Okay, what can you do? I'm going to ask some questions, and be careful when you give the answer. So, for example, my question is going to be, can you ride a bike? When you make your question, can you ride a bike?
Mm-hmm. I can.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can. Or no?
I can't.
Can't. And this is important because sometimes it's hard to hear, right?
Yes.
Even for Americans and even native speakers, what, can or can't? And sometimes you have to say cannot because it's hard to understand. So try that. Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Yeah, you can do little can't or can't.
Can.
Can't. It's like you're cutting it off. Can't.
Oh, can't.
Can't.
Can. Can.
No. Can.
Can.
Can't.
Can.
Can't. It's very much through the nose. It's like It's this nasal sound, and we need the help in here. When you say feel that?
Can.
That sound when you're cutting the sound. That's how we cut off can.
Can.
I can.
I can.
I can't.
I can.
Yes. You cut the sound. Yes. So if you can do try. Say That's it. That sound is cut off. You're cutting the sound here. So when you say the negative, you're cutting the sound here. I can't.
I can't.
Yes. It's very nasal through the nose, and we cut the sound off in our throat there.
Can.
I can. I can't.
Can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
Yes, I can.
No, I can't.
No, I can't.
Yeah, good, good. So also make it longer when you say yes. I can.
I can.
Can. I can't.
I can.
Can't. Yeah, it's like nasal, it's cut off.
Quick.
And if people say, I'm sorry, what did you say? You say, I can't, I cannot. Sometimes you need to say cannot. All right. Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Oh, good for you. Can you ride a bike?
No, I can't.
Oh, really? You need to teach her.
Yes, really.
Oh, you need to get a bike.
Yes.
Can you teach her?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So we're going to ask each other questions. You can ask Flavia. Go ahead, ask her.
Can you swim? Yes, I can.
You can ask me.
Can you make a soup?
Yes, I can. I can also open a can and...
No.
Yes, I can. I can make easy soup, and I can make real soup. And I can open a can. Okay. And that's interesting, actually. Soup comes in a can. So can be a verb, and it can be the thing, like a can of soup.
Yes.
I can open the can of soup. Get it?
It's the same.
It's the same word. C-A-N. Can. I can open a can of soup. Or you say, help me, I can't open this can. It's confusing, isn't it?
Oh.
Can. Yeah.
I can.
I I can open the can. I can't open the can.
I can open the can.
I can't open the. Can you help me open the can? So you have to pay attention because often one word has two meanings.
Can you fall asleep when it's noisy?
No, I can't. I need quiet. I need quiet. I can't fall asleep with noise. I really can't. Can you text fast?
I can.
I can't. No.
Can you fall asleep quickly?
Yes, I can.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I can't. I can never. We have to say can never. I can never fall asleep quickly. It would take a long time. Yeah. Okay, so this is can. Can is a modal verb. We use can plus the base verb to talk about abilities. What are you able to do? What can you do? I can play the piano and I can jump rope. Notice how we stress the base verb, the main verb. I can play. I can jump. So, especially in fast speech, can will often sound like can. Can. I can do it. I can see. I can go. The negative form is cannot, or the contraction can't. Repeat after me. Let's stress the negative form. I can't go. I can't hear. I can't tell you. To talk about past abilities, we use could. The negative, could not. And the contraction, couldn't. We use these forms to talk about things we were able to do in the past. Listen. Okay, so this is can. Now think of the past. Can, could. So we think of the past. Let's think about ourselves as little girls. Maybe 8, 9 as little girls. When you were a little girl, could you do laundry?
No.
No. Just
I couldn't.
I couldn't do laundry.
I couldn't.
Or sorry, I didn't know how. I didn't know how either. I couldn't do laundry, but not without help, right? I couldn't.
Could you climb a tree?
Yes.
I could. You could. Wow. Could you?
Climb is...
The tree.
Yes.
Good for you.
Could you make breakfast?
I could make cereal,
Mm-hmm.
milk, cereal, breakfast. Yeah, but I couldn't cook. Not at 7. I don't even think at 12 and 13 and I couldn't cook.
I don't know.
You don't. Let's remember how we form questions. We use verb plus subject. Can you go? Can they come? Yes, no questions use rising intonation. Listen to how my voice goes up at the end. Can you see? Can he come? Can they pay? Can she dance? Can you visit me? Can you repeat that? Can we talk about this? When you ask questions for information, use falling intonation. Listen to my voice go down. Who can help? When can you come? Why can't he come? How can you text so fast? Where can I buy one?
Listen as Flavia, Andreia, and I practice asking some questions.
I'll ask you about Flavia. Can Flavia bake a cake?
Can Flavia?
Can Flavia bake a cake?
Yes, she can.
She can, yeah? You're sure?
Yeah.
Yes, because then we'd have to ask her. Okay. She doesn't just go to the store and buy a cake. No, she can bake a cake. Okay. Can Andreia whistle?
Whistle? I don't know.
Oh, so you have to ask her.
Can you whistle?
Whistle. Sorry. My handwriting. Whistle.
Can you whistle?
No, I can't.
Good. I'll teach you. Okay. Can Flavia dance the samba?
I don't know.
You have to ask her.
You can you dance a samba?
No, I can't.
Really? Can Andreia dance the samba?
I don't know.
You have to ask her.
Can you dance samba?
No, I don't.
Why can't you dance the samba? Is it like your national dance?
Yes.
We need to go to YouTube and watch some dance tutorials.
We can try.
We can try. Okay. Can Andreia make a French braid?
French.
Yeah, I could take a picture. Do you see? That's a French
Oh.
Oh,
No.
braid. No?
No.
Good.
She. Would you like to make?
She
can't.
She want
Yeah,
would
she-
like to make. She would
Yeah.
like to make one. She wants to
But
make.
she can't.
Oh, I'm sorry. Does Flavia know how?
Mhm.
Can Flavia make a French braid?
no,
She can't.
she can't.
Oh, you guys need to watch some tutorials. Right. It's weird. I can make a French braid. I can do a French braid on myself, but
dream.
I can't do it on other people.
Oh.
It's weird. Like I can do it like
Uh-huh.
this, but in front of other people, I just can't work on somebody else. I don't know why. Yeah.
What's the name?
A French braid.
French.
Braid. A French braid.
French
Yeah.
braid.
Okay. We can watch.
I long.
Yeah, they're pretty. We can make. We can watch some tutorials.
I tried.
You try? Or you will try?
I tried.
You tried.
But
I couldn't.
I couldn't.
Well, we'll try again.
Yeah.
And you can.
But I tried. No.
We will try. We'll try, because we all have long hair. We can practice, okay?
What could you do as a child but can't do now as an adult? Anything? I don't think I can climb a tree at my age, but I could as a child. That's all for now. Please like and share the video. As always, thanks for watching and happy studies. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on those notifications.